So it is the weekend before Christmas, and the Maverick is going to take a few days off. But before we get there, remember the start of last season's EPL? I said a certain Pep Guardiola was an overrated coach who only won with big all-star clubs like Barcelona and Bayern Munich, and that he would struggle in the EPL. And yes, Pep and Man City did struggle in his first season, failing to win a title. Well, Guardiola is now in the process of proving himself this season. 11 points clear. Pep says 12 points clear because of City's massive goal difference. Record unbeaten run, dropping only 2 points from one drawn game. But hey, this is where Pep get my ratings now. This Man City squad is not clear-cut as the best squad in the league. Manchester United and even Chelsea have comparable squads in terms of player quality. But where Pep separates himself is the way he's bringing through and improving players like Raheem Sterling, Gabriel Jesus, Leroy Sané, Kevin De Bruyne, etc., and having them play at such a high level. That is what big coaches do. And when you add his influence on the attacking evolution of the world game, the argument done, Pep Guardiola is the best coach in the world right now. And don't tell me say no win the league yet. because see that, yes. On behalf of the Maverick organization, I want to present this advanced replica of the 2017-2018 EPL trophy to Pep Guardiola. Yes. Congrats, Mama. Get out there. Get out there to me. I will see you next year. Merry Christmas, and I will see you all next year.